Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to show you guys how to make this creamy voodoo pasta as well as this Cajun honey lobster tail. So good. Very easy to make. Before we begin, please take a quick second to subscribe if you're new here. Also like if this video was helpful, and let's jump right into it. This is a quick glimpse of all the ingredients you will need to make this recipe. If you want to make this recipe, I want to remind you all of the ingredients will be listed below. I am starting by making this Cajun honey butter sauce for my lobster tail. So I'm going to start by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic in there. Cook the garlic for about 10 seconds or until fragrance. Next, I am going to pour some honey in there. Now here comes the seasoning. I'm using Cajun seasoning, paprika for color, also some Old Bay seasoning because I do want this to have a little bit of kick. I'm going to add some dry pepper flakes in there. I'm going to let that simmer for about 30 seconds to a minute. Once done, we're going to remove it, set it aside. I'm going to remove the legs. Then I am going to cut the back of the lobster tail and remove the meat or the protein out with my hands. So now I'm going to season the lobster tail. I am going to use a brush to brush that Cajun butter sauce all over the lobster tail. Then we'll bake this. Now I'm going to bake it on 350 for 20 minutes. While that is baking, I am getting ready to boil the pasta. To a saucepan, I added my water, some chicken bouillon, as well as some salt. And then we're going to cover, allow to boil. Once the water started to boil, I am going to add the pasta. You can use any shape of pasta that you have. I'm going to use penne for today's recipe. I'm going to boil the pasta according to the packaging. It's usually about 7 to 10 minutes. Once the pasta is al dente, I am going to remove, pour out the hot water so the pasta doesn't continue to cook, and set it aside. Now to a different skillet, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, add some more minced garlic. We're going to cook that for about 10 seconds or until fragrance. Then I am going to be adding some onions, okay, some sweet yellow onions, and as well as some sweet chili peppers. Okay, these peppers taste different from regular bell peppers. That's what makes this recipe unique. Okay, this recipe called for chili peppers. I couldn't find any at my local supermarket, so that's why we're using habanero. I am also going to be adding some dry pepper flakes to make it super spicy, and I'm going to pour in my heavy cream right after. Give that a quick mix just like so. To season, I'm using complete seasoning, Italian seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, ground black pepper, and salt. Give that a stir just like so. And right after, I am going in with some Parmesan cheese. Now give that a nice stir. Right after, next I am going to be adding in the pasta. Pour in your pasta. As you can see, everything is looking how we want it. Of course, I'm going to give that a nice beautiful stir to make sure the pasta is well coated with the sauce. And the reason why I didn't pour any cold water to the pasta, because I do want the sauce to cling to the pasta. Once you rinse your pasta, the sauce will just run off the pasta. It's not going to cling, it's not going to stick on the pasta at all. Okay, so now I'm going to add some more Parmesan cheese as I go. It's up to your liking. You can see it's getting thicker and creamier. This is the lobster tail once it comes out nice and perfectly cooked. It's looking beautiful. So I'm going to plate the pasta for you. As you can see, it's looking so creamy. I'm going to plate it. Due to today is Valentine's Day, I decided to use lobster tail for today's recipe, but you can make it with shrimp, salmon, whatever protein you feel like eating this pasta with. But basically, this is the recipe, you guys. It was spicy. That's exactly how I had it in New York, super spicy. And like I said, this recipe was inspired by a voodoo pasta I had in New York at Dave and Buster's. Okay, this is the recipe. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you try it. Even if you don't try it today, you can try it for any other occasion, for your family, your significant other. This is the recipe. I hope you guys try this out for your family, your significant other. I will give this recipe a 8 out of 10 compared to the one I had. I feel like I was very close to the taste. And let's not talk about the lobster tail. It was so tasty. It was cooked to perfection. The meat was so sweet and spicy at the same time. Everything was on point. I hope you try it out for yourselves to know what I'm talking about. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you're new here. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.